This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions right away. Check that Discord and your device OS are updated, then test network connectivity, switch Wi-Fi to mobile data or toggle airplane mode. Once done, force quit the Discord app and reopen it. That clears transient issues. If you're on Android, clear the app cache. On desktop, use the built-in restart option or quit and relaunch. These steps resolve many immediate message visibility problems quickly. Next, dig into account and server specifics so you can isolate where messages vanish. Log out and back in to refresh your session and confirm you're not rate limited or banned. Then open the problematic server. Review your role and channel permissions, unmute channels, and ensure the channel isn't set to hidden or mention only. Make sure notification settings and message sync are properly configured. Sometimes developer mode or unusual privacy settings block message display. These deeper checks catch permission and sync failures. To finish, escalate methodically. Uninstall and reinstall the app or open Discord in a web browser to see if messages appear there. That tells you if the client is the problem. Review server audit logs or ask admins to check for message deletions or moderation bots. If messages still don't show, enable debug logging, capture timestamps and affected channels, then submit a support ticket with those logs. One key tip: test with a second account or friend to confirm whether it's account-specific before broad changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.